You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more vocabulary, more names especially that are confusing from French, also Russian, stay tuned, there are more videos. It originates from Slavic languages like Russian, and it's originally short for Alexander or Alexandra, and it's pronounced Sacha. Now in Russian it's more Sacha, Sacha, also in French Sacha, in English Sacha. Sa first is an A sound and then a schwa sound and a sound. In English, how to pronounce Sacha. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.